Last time we learned verses 15 and 16 of the Isha Upanishad and their relation with modern neuroscience. And today we are exploring verse 17 and 18. Here is verse 17. Vayur anilam amritam athedam bhasmantam shariram. May my breath or prana return and merge with the all-pervading air and my body become ashes. Om krato smarah kritam smarah krato smarah kritam smarah. Om, O mind, remember my deeds, remember my deeds. The final verse, that is verse 18, is a prayer in continuation with verse 17. Agne naya supatha raye, O Agni, lead us on the right path. Asman Vishwani, Deva Vayunani Vidvan. May all the divine energies with wisdom guide us. Yuyodhyas Majju Huran Meno Bhuishthan. May we strive to attain the greater good. Te Nama Uktim Vidhema. We offer our salutations to this divine knowledge. Every one of us thinks and wonders that what exactly happens after we die. Verse 17 has an insight. So imagine a closed pot containing air. As long as the pot remains intact, the air inside is separate from the all-pervading air outside. It has a distinct identity of its own. However, when the pot breaks, the boundary dissolves and the air inside merges with the air outside. Similarly, our physical bodies are like temporary vessels that contain the life force or prana, and when we die, our individual prana merges with the universal life force, that is Isha, as discussed in verse 1, which is present everywhere in every atom. So in simple words, after death, our life energy becomes one with the big universal energy, just as the air in the pot becomes one with the air outside. This verse reminds us that our physical body is temporary and one day it will turn to dust. Remembering that we will die someday reminds us that all the stress that we are holding on to is for something that is temporary. All our hatreds, judgments, opinions, fears, likes, dislikes, everything will turn to ashes soon. The verse calls for introspection to consider the impact of our deeds, our thoughts, and our words on ourselves and the world around us. When we remember that our time here is limited, we try to be kind and compassionate with others. We also try to leave a positive mark on the world. This thought encourages us to let go of bad feelings and focus on making peace with ourselves and with others. It also pushes us to chase our dreams and enjoy life more. Now, let's look at the final 3 actionable takeaways from the entire Isha Upanishad. First is to practice gratitude by reflecting on the gift of life, appreciating the good things, the people we love, the experiences we have, and the magic and the beauty that surrounds us. Second is to live mindfully by acknowledging that our time here is limited and we should make the most out of it by letting go of attachments and setting goals that are meaningful to us and try to live a life that we won't regret. And third is to know that there is a higher power that loves us dearly. With this, we come to the end of this beautiful journey of all 18 verses of the Isha Upanishad. I hope this video series was insightful for you. My best wishes to everyone watching this. Namaste.